Tableau, but my file is not showing. Like it's showing, but is not opening in Tableau.
So
So
you have this kind of thing, the same file,
yeah, I
different
have
file.
this kind. Sir, how to make connections? I have doubt like how to make connections. First, we need to make connections, right?
So I repeat two times this thing. I made two time connection. See once again. At
Yes,
least you should
yes,
focus. So you always focus. Okay. Go click
yes, yes,
connect to
yes.
which kind of file. Okay. Click to Microsoft.
Okay,
Same connection I made yesterday. Then select the file and then open. Simply it's connected.
okay. Yes, sir. This same file is coming for me also. But sir, my whatever data is there in Excel sheet is not showing in Tableau platform. That's why.
It's a blank one from your side.
Okay, okay. I'll try, sir. I'll try, sir. Okay, sir.
Or you go to data source or you drag and drop. Drag this thing over here because my only single table is there, so no need to for drag this one. But I will show you today if you have 2, 3, 4 tables, so you have to drag this thing manually. Then you got data over here.
Okay, sir. Okay, I'll try, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, so let's proceed and create. Go to worksheet, sheet 1. Okay, you can please as sheet you require. I click to this 4 sheet because I will do many things for you. Okay, so I'm working with sheet 1. If you want to edit the title, okay. So rep means representative versus units. Okay, okay, okay. So the sheet name is rep versus unit. Now what I do, I told you two things. One thing is dimension, second thing is measure. So all number, all the columns which contain the number comes under the measures, except that thing comes under the dimension, or dimension are the independent variable and measures are the dependent variable. All right, now I have to see the rep, put the rep in column. So how many unique rep is there? It will be over here. Okay, and after unit thing I take total unit, means each representative selling how much unit. Okay, in total. So what it's showing you, it's showing you sum of unit, means for a given data set you have to understand the thing. It sum all the Richards value, all the Richards unit, this one. Okay, so what I do, let's cross check this thing. Somewhere we have filter, yes. I put we select all only Richards. Okay, so I have only Richards value. If I want to add this one, equal to this one, and how to put sum. Actually, I'm weak in Excel, so maybe I'm going correctly. These are 2026. No, I'm not. Make sure. Sum E2 to E42. Actually, take the entire range. E2 to someone ending this thing. These are not
Sir, Alt
2026.
plus, sir. Sir, in that 2026, Alt plus.
Alt plus.
Yes, sir.
Alt shift plus.
Backspace के बगल वाला sir, Alt plus.
नहीं आया मेरे में.
Sir, you can do one thing, equals to sum and then select the cells which you want to sum.
आप मुझे सम बता दो. आप मुझे सम बता दो कितना आ रहा है.
Equals to sum. अच्छा, okay, sum करके बता दे.
मुझे बता दो कितना.
396.
396 means he cross-verify this thing from the Excel.
Sir, can you do auto sum instead of doing that everything?
Please repeat what you're saying.
Sir, you can select the option of auto sum in the Excel sheet.
No, my intention is not to not to tease the Excel sheet. My intention, what it showing you it is correct or not. That's cross checking, because it's showing the Richard is 396. Okay, so this is means this is correct. I mean, what Excel sheet calculating, what Tableau calculating, it is correct. It is giving you sum. Okay, so if I'm making this sheet, second sheet, okay, sheet by sheet I make a changes. I just duplicate this one, same thing over here. Okay, now what I do, applying the sorting. Okay. In sorting we have many approach. When you put the you mark over here, cursor over here, you find this symbol. Okay, when you find this symbol over here, then what happened, this will show either you sort the data increasing to decreasing, or decreasing to increasing, or the natural order. What is natural order? Natural order nothing but the range of representative name in the alphabetic ABCD, nothing else. Okay, so if you want to stretch this figure, somewhere you have it, this diagram. See, if you want to stretch any figure, or left, right, top to bottom, you have to find this arrow. See, check this arrow, and then stretch this figure. Got it? Now what I do, I just sort it down. This is first sorting, highest one over here, least one over here. Again, when you click this symbol, lowest one over here, highest one over here. Okay, so this is interactive visualization. When you're moving a cursor, the representative name with the units is showing to you. Got it? Now the third thing, how much figure if you want to put permanently that thing. So you do nothing but just draw the unit and convert this unit as a label. Got it? Check this thing once again. I draw this units over here and put your 3 dots over here, convert this thing to label. So this will give you label on each one, so that you can easily find 396 for the result. So it is showing on each top of this thing. Alright. Now again I'm duplicating this thing. Once I have this thing over here in sorting, we have the sorting and coloring. Sorting and coloring. Okay. Okay, what I do again, I drag the units over here. It's a mark pen, and I select these 4 dots and apply the color. So the person who performing the best performance will give you this kind of thing. By default, chart is the bar chart. Okay, but you can change this chart also. I will show you how. First, confirm me this thing is done from your side. Yes, please.
Sir, this some units you have to drag 2 times. Is it compulsory?
Yes, because first time you are doing the coloring, second time you are putting the label out there.
Sir, but
So-
बिना उसके भी हो रहा है. तो is it fine or it's not fine?
तो एक बार एक ड्रैग में 2 टास्क हो रहे हैं आपके?
हाँ सर.
मेरे में तो नहीं हो रहे, देखो आपके सामने किया है मैंने. अगर आपको हो रहे हो तो वेल एंड गुड. यहाँ पे क्या दिखा रहा है जब आपके दोनों टास्क हो रहे हैं तो?
सर वो नीचे वाला 4 dots, 4 color boxes.
और ये ऑटोमेटिक आ रहा है, ये इसके ऊपर लेबल आ रहे हैं क्या?
नहीं ये नहीं आ रहा फिर.
तो मैंने क्या बताया आपको, आपको 2 टास्क परफॉर्म करने हैं, आपको कलरिंग भी करनी है, आपको लेबल भी डिस्प्ले करना है. सो दिस इज स्टैंड फॉर द लेबल. जो बार के ऊपर लेबल आ रहा है वो इससे आ रहा है.
अच्छा ठीक समझ गई.
कंफर्म मी ऑल दिस पार्टिसिपेंट दैट यू डू दिस टास्क. हैंड टू हैंड करते चलो ना, पीछे रह जाओगे तो फिर पीछे रह जाओगे. Done. Okay. Now I'm just Shivali, any issue?
No.
Okay, that's good. I'm again duplicating this thing. Okay, duplicating this thing over here. Okay, what I do now, the coloring is done, the sorting is done. I think that any person want the line chart. Okay, so we have one button over here. We have two way to convert a thing. Two way means using show me button, you can see availability of different charts. Using this button, you can see the availability of different charts. Okay, what kind of chart is possible. Otherwise, someone is unmuted. Any question? Okay. In second way, this one over here. Okay, if I use a line chart, so you can easily see over here the line chart moving toward over here, and this line from fading to going to darkest blue color. Check this thing. Check your own. Okay, if you want to change the color of line, click on the color, edit color, see some color over here. ऑटोमेटिक में कोई अच्छा सा कलर, कलर कॉम्बिनेशन में अच्छा नहीं है. मैं डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर रहा कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, अदरवाइज गड़बड़ हो जाएगी, फिर ना रिवर्ट करना पड़ेगा सब कुछ. Okay, so I'm not changing the color. I mean, Tableau select your best color for you. Right. Now, what tooltip is? Let's say see the tooltip. What is tooltip? Okay, so tooltip, you go out over here.
Sir, can you show how you draw line chart? It's not available over there.
No, यहाँ from here, यहाँ से आपने draw किया है. अब यहाँ select कर लो, यहाँ से बार साइड select कर दो, बार बन जाएगा. यहाँ से line साइड select कर लो.
Okay, okay.
एरिया साइड select कर लो, ये एरिया बन जाएगा. ठीक है ना?
So from show me it is not available, no? From show me option.
Show me just like some old option. This is the working on the data. I mean, data is basically find the markman over here, so it is working an advanced option over here. आपको पहले यहाँ से ट्राई करना चाहिए, ठीक है ना? यहाँ से आप स्क्वायर करके देखो, फिर स्क्वायर चार्ट आ जाएगा, सर्किल चार्ट आ जाएगा. ट्राई करो अपने आप.
Yes sir. Done sir. Yeah. Thank you.
टेक्स्ट करके देखो, टेक्स्ट आया नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है, यहाँ से डिफरेंट शेप में मैप्स तो नहीं आया क्या? मैप तो कुछ दिखाएगा ही नहीं, गड़बड़ कर देगा. मैप का तो जियोग्राफिकल डेटा ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. पाई चार्ट बना के देखो, पाई चार्ट भी नहीं बनेगा ऐसे, ये मल्टीपल लोग है ना. गैन चार्ट बना के देखो, गैन चार्ट बन रहा है? नहीं, गैन चार्ट नहीं बन रहा. जो नहीं बनेगा वो सही से नहीं आया. गैन चार्ट होता है एक्टिविटी चार्ट, किसने कितनी एक्टिविटी की. ठीक है, पॉलीगॉन चार्ट बना के देखो, नहीं बन गया. डेंसिटी चार्ट, हाँ डेंसिटी बन रहा है. देखो जैसे जैसे डेटा बढ़ता जा रहा है वो डेंसिटीज की मतलब डेटा की बढ़ती जा रही है. ये सर्कल के राउंड कलर होता है ना, मैंने केडी चार्ट पढ़ाया था आपको सी बॉन्ड में. उसमें क्या होता है, जहाँ पे डेटा सेंट्रिक होता है वहाँ पे उसके डार्केस्ट या डीपनेस बढ़ती जाती है. यहाँ पे डीपनेस एकदम लो है, यहाँ पे डीपनेस एकदम हाई है. So, but let's concentrate first the line chart. Done?
Hello.
बताइए.
Sir, can we increase these dots which represent our labels? Can we increase the size of this?
Line chart dots नहीं.
Yeah, those who represent our labels.
लाइन चार्ट की लाइंस की विड्थ बढ़ेगी बेटा, क्योंकि लाइन चार्ट की डॉट्स की नहीं बढ़ेगी, क्योंकि लाइन चार्ट स्पेशली लाइन के लिए होता है. हाँ, लेकिन जहाँ पे आप शेप सेलेक्ट करोगे ना, कहीं पे आपका ये था सर्किल, इसका आप सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो, है ना, कम कर सकते हो. बहुत छोटा हो गया.
थैंक यू.
तो इसी से आप डाउन कर सकते हो.
Sir,
पूछिए।
सर एक्चुअली ये इसमें अंडू का ऑप्शन नहीं होता क्या?
बिल्कुल होता है, कंट्रोल जेड का होता है। कंट्रोल जेड कहिए, कंट्रोल जेड विल अनडू एवरीथिंग। कंट्रोल जेड।
सर एक्चुअली व्हाट आई वाज ट्राइंग ना कि वो जो सर शो मी वाला ऑप्शन है ना, उसमें आई वाज ट्राइंग वेरियस graphs and one of it came out as a straight line and now I'm trying to get back to what it was earlier but I'm not able to. How
हाँ,
do I do
तो
it?
आप यहाँ पे पहले कर्सर क्लिक करो, फिर कंट्रोल जेड करो, शो मी हटा दो। अगर शो मी को हटाना है, इफ यू वांट टू रिमूव शो मी, सो क्लिक वन मोर टाइम, इट विल रिमूव दिस वन। ओके,
नहीं सर, like you like show me एक बारी when you showed ना, show me पे क्लिक करने के बाद I was trying all the patterns shown here. So how can I get back to this curvy linear
so
line?
I just put in the control z, control z, control z, control z, control z, control z, control z. Got it? I'm not doing anything, just accept the control z. And somewhere the option undo. Is this undo? Yes. Undo.
Where it is, sir? Let me please tell you.
Second one.
So where is your एक second? Okay, okay. got it.
Second one.
Yeah, got it. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, sir, got it.
Up, what thing is missing over here? Very important. I remove control Z, control Z. Control Z means I got all the things as in new. What thing we missing over here? Okay. We have one more thing, reason. Okay. Reason, yes. So which reason? But one thing missing over here, that is on 4th of July. See my question. On 4th of July, how much Richard earned the money? How much earning the money? Yes, Muthu Kumarji. On 4th of July 2014, Richard earning how much money?
It's 62 into 4.99, sir.
Definitely. And as a whole, how much Richard earned money? That is missing in this data set. If I want to see how much money totally earned by the Richard, that is missing. So this is known as the calculated field. Means this is missing from your entire data set. So now let's see how we create the calculated field. I'm duplicating this one more time. Okay, I'm converting to bar chart. Okay, actually size, I hope I reduce the size with some participants. You guys please check the size according to your canvas span. This is your canvas. Okay, now very important thing, and you have to beneficial with this one, calculate it. This data is not available, but you have to generate that column. So what I do, I just do the right click over here, create a calculated field. Okay, first option, create a calculated field. Check this one. Where is my circle is blinking. Once you get a calculated field, it will give you what name you want to give. So I want to give the money. What field I am creating, that name will be money. Okay. So how you get the data from money? So I will get data from money, that units. Okay, and multiply by the unit price. Got it? कि मैं यूनिट और यूनिट प्राइस को मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा तो मेरा मनी आ जाएगा. Okay, so how any representative earn the money, we get this kind of thing. Check this thing.
हेलो
Yes, please.
सर, ये कैसे किया सर? वापस बता देंगे सर, मेरा नेटवर्क चला गया था सर.
चलिए देखो मैंने क्या किया, अभी कैसे कर रहा हूँ. मैंने यहाँ पे राइट क्लिक किया, मैंने किया क्रिएट कैलकुलेटेड फील्ड. ये सामने मेरे बॉक्स आया. I just rename this. I put the name is money, and how I generate this money by multiplying the unit price multiplied by the units. When the thing is valid, this will give you this calculation is valid. ये आपका लिख के आएगा ये calculation valid है. When you do the OK, So this give you this thing, hash symbol. Hash stand for the integer value. But before hash, it give you some little bit marks of equal to. Got it? Now, अब मैं देख सकता हूँ कि यूनिट्स तो रिचर्ड्स भाई, the person Richards earning selling the more amount unit, but is he earning more and more money? So what I do, I remove this thing somehow. Okay, and first sees tabulation. The first thing is what the table. Okay, see this thing. So the person who earning very high, this is table given by the thing. Okay, so if I arrange this thing, so Matthew is a person who are earning the highest money. Okay, now turn this thing into bar chart. Oops, actually I perform the table. Okay, no problem. I'm not doing anything with this table. Okay, I'm just replicating this thing, sheet 1 of 5, duplicate. Again, remove this one, remove this one, remove this one, and just drop the money over here. Sorry. Check this thing, and it will show me, extend this figure. Right. So now thing is changes. Matthew is the person who is earning the highest money. Okay. So drop money over here. Put the label. So you find the label on each one. Confirm me these things. We did this thing. We got the data. We calculated here, and even you can do the coloring of money. Again, same way, same procedure. Now, where is which one? Who is earning the highest unit? The person name. The person name was Richard.
लेबल वाला कैसे करा था एक बार प्लीज बताएंगे?
Hello, sir.
Richard's earning the highest money. Please wait, please wait. So where Richard stands for? Richard stands for the 4th position. Yes, हाँ लेबल का प्रॉब्लम किसने पूछी पहले?
सर निशा हियर.
लेबल तो कॉमन चीज है, आपको जिसको उठाना है मनी को ड्रैग कर दो यहाँ पे, ये डॉट्स आते हैं ना, ये आप काम करेंगे सारा. डॉट्स पे क्लिक किया, लेबल पे क्लिक कर दिया.
ओके.
सर मेरा एरर मैसेज आ रहा है.
एरर मैसेज क्या कह रहा है?
Tableau could not connect to data source.
डेटा सोर्स आपकी डिस्क में है, आपने यहाँ डिलीट तो नहीं कर दिया? ऐसी एरर आती नहीं बेटा.
नहीं मैं अपलोड किया.
अपलोड कहाँ पे किए? मतलब यहाँ कनेक्ट किया?
हाँ सर.
टैब्लो को दोबारा एक बार बंद कीजिए, है ना, और ऑन कीजिए. पहले भी एरर आई, अभी आपने कुछ बनाया नहीं बनाया अभी तक उसमें?
नहीं आप जो बोल रहे थे उससे बना. अभी जो चेंज किया ना मनी वाला और उसको बोलने
वो
से
तो आपने वो तो या तो गलत फील्ड आपने टाइप किया और नीचे वैलिड लिख किया गया, दिस कैलकुलेशन इज वैलिड, ये लिख के आया था उसमें?
नहीं सर, जो आपने अभी जो स्टेप किया है उसको करने से मेरा बैड कनेक्शन दिखा रहा है.
मैंने बस टेबल बनाई है, कुछ नहीं किया. टेबल बनाई है शो मी से बस, और कुछ नहीं. ये पहला ऑप्शन किया था. ठीक है, बार चार्ट बनाना था तो मैंने इसको लॉस्ट नहीं किया, मैंने इसकी डुप्लीकेट कॉपी कर ली और डुप्लीकेट में से यहाँ से बार चार्ट सेलेक्ट कर लिया. सबको हटा के मैंने मनी ड्रैग कर दिया और बार चार्ट कर दिया, कुछ नहीं किया. दोबारा से कर लो, ऑफ करो, दोबारा से करो, मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ, है ना, क्योंकि ये बेसिक चीज़ें अभी सीख लोगे, मतलब बाद में बीच में कॉम्प्लिकेशन क्रिएट हो जाएगा बहुत ज़्यादा. क्योंकि जब डैशबोर्ड बनेगा ना,
कर रहे हो, मैं वैसे कर रहा था.
कोई नहीं, अभी अब फ्रेश काम कर लो, एक बार कैलकुलेट फील्ड बना लो, बाकी तो कर चुके हो, बाकी कल रिकॉर्डिंग देखिए कर लेना, ठीक है ना. अभी ये काम कर लो कैलकुलेट फील्ड वाला, ये इंपॉर्टेंट काम है. करो फटाफट से, मैं आपको 1 मिनट दे रहा हूँ.
हेलो
Yes, please.
सर सोमी में जो जिसमें चार्ट में दिया हुआ है,
हम्म,
जैसे अभी बार चार्ट है, अगर मैं जैसे टेबल में क्लिक किया तो मेरा जो बार चार्ट में जो डाटा था वो मिस हो गया सर।
ऐसे कैसे हो गया आपका? मतलब आपने पहले ये दो फील्ड ड्रैग किए, आप इन सबको
नहीं
हटा
सर, ये
दिए।
फील्ड था, मैंने वो सोमी में जो चार्ट था ना सर,
हम्म,
वहाँ पे टेबल क्लिक किया।
टेबल के बाद बार किया ना आपने?
हाँ, टेबल के बाद फिर अगेन बार में आया तो मेरा जो मार्क्स में जो सम मनी था वो मिस हो गया वो।
हम्म, ऐसा डेटा आ रहा है आपका?
हाँ, ये डेटा आ रहा है सर।
ये टेबल
नहीं
है
सर,
हमारी।
मैं सेम सीट में कर रहा हूँ सर, मैं अलग सीट में नहीं किया।
नहीं 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 नहीं, इतना मत कीजिए, थोड़ा अलग कीजिए, ना तो यही मिक्सचर हो जाएगा, फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगा। आप मुझे परेशान करोगे, मैं कह दूँगा अभी मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा। ठीक है ना? तो चीज़ों को सेपरेट
ओके
रखिए,
ओके।
तभी मैं कह रहा हूँ सेपरेट रखिए, ताकि कल को आप खुल के देख सको तो ये चीज़ें हैं, है ना? अब मैं आज को ये फाइल दूंगा आपको, फिर डाउनलोड करके आप ब्राउज कर सकते हो, फाइल में ओपन कर सकते हो, है ना? ये फाइल मैं अभी दूंगा आपको,
यस सर, थैंक यू।
URL भी दे दूंगा आपको, फाइल भी दे दूंगा आपको। तो तभी कह रहा हूँ अलग अलग काम करो, डोंट मिक्स द थिंग। डन, सबका डन हो गया? अब देखो बहुत सी चीज बता रहा हूँ इसमें। When you calculate the thing, but what is 3,109? I know this is rupees, this is currency, but what kind of currencies? You have to put any prefix before this. You have to put any prefix before this. Okay. So how to put prefix before this? See carefully. I see some filter option over here. I mean format option over here. Where you put the format option, so go to the default one. Okay. And check the numbers. Numbers would be currency. Numbers कुछ भी हो सकता है. Currency standards. Currency standard. Then which currency standard? Check some USA. English, USA, and United States. Check this option. Click on the arrow. Again, I'm showing you. This one. Click on this down arrow. Click on the format. Now numbers. Automatically add the rupees. Wow. But I want to add. It automatically Indian rupees. But I want to add the USA. United States. Okay. Now it's better. Okay. Check this thing. So now it's reflecting a dollar sign. Now if you went through the line chart, that is better. Bar or area chart, that is better. Okay. Every chart is not possible with every data. Keep this thing in mind, that I will make every chart with every data. That is not possible. Done. How many participants? Good. Good. Okay. Now, again duplicate this thing. Okay. And now here I choose this bubble chart. Bubble chart shows you the ratio by which any person occupying the money. Okay, so here I have the Matthew, the highest one. Okay, so where is Matthew? Highest one. It will show to you. Okay, so text means label apply to this one, size apply to this one, but you have to put one more thing, money as a label, because inside here you don't find how much Matthew is earning. So put the label also. So easily find over here. Which is earning highest, that is Matthew, which is earning lowest, that is Richard. Actually, Rachel does not occupy any price. The reason behind its bubble is very small. Data is not fitting over here. The sum of money, format, any option, alignment automatically. It's align automatically. That's good. Font size option is not there. Okay. Font option not there. No, it will reduce the entire this thing. No, nothing. Okay, only 1% missing that thing. Otherwise, when you moving the mouse over, it will show you data. But confirm me they are this thing. You have the bubble chart. Good. Now the rapid assignment. You know what is a rapid assignment? You made the thing and you emailed me. All of you have that email, my email. Okay. So I'm opening my email first and see who will send me very first. Okay, that's good.
सर बबल चार्ट कैसे बनाया?
अभी आप कहाँ थे?
सर एरर आ गई थी, वही रिजॉल्व कर आ गया. ओके सर, शो मी वाले से ना?
हाँ, शो मी वाले से कर लिया.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
ओके.
तो जिसकी सेल ज्यादा हो मीन्स अर्निंग ज्यादा हो उससे बबल्स बड़ा होगा. ठीक है ना. अब मैं आपको टास्क दे रहा हूँ. वो टास्क आई हैव. ओके. टास्क वन. हो सकता है भी दूसरा तीसरा टास्क मिले. सो रेडी फॉर दिस वन. ओके. सो which region selling the highest unit? The first one. Which region selling the highest or most unit? Because we have only east, west, north, south or central. I hope we have three: east, central, west. Three regions there, and you have to give me the pie chart. Pie chart. Okay, with the label of the region and the units. Means the pie chart must show the label of units and the region name. So each region like that. Okay, your time start now. I'm nothing showing to you. I just waiting for your reply on my email.
सर क्वेश्चन दिखा दीजिए एक बारी.
हाँ, क्वेश्चन लिख लो. Giving you 2 minutes. You can muting myself. Meanwhile, you can send me. Screenshot भेजना है. Okay.
Sir, sent. Can you check?
Oh. Students are very fast. Rituja, thank you very much. Units, that's good. Okay, Rituja, actually, this you can adjust the dimension of this thing. I will show you how to adjust dimension, how to adjust dimension. But very good thing. Clapping for myself. Next one, Rituja is first. With other participant, सबको बना के भेजना है अभी, ध्यान रखना. न कल क्लास में एंट्री नहीं होगी. कुछ प्रोग्रामिंग नहीं, बस ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप है. कहाँ पे कैसे ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करना है वो हमें सीखना है. भेजो फटाफट से. Shrita Reddy, I think you send me the money, about the money, not your unit.
Okay,
The
sir.
task about the region and units, which means sometimes the manager asks in this region we sell lot of units of the particular thing.
Okay, sorry, sir.
Okay. Nothing, not for sorry. Okay, see the task.
Sir, I mailed you, sir.
Okay, please wait. देखो डायमेंशन कैसे सेट करते हैं, डायमेंशन देखना सीखो, हाउ टू सेट अ डायमेंशन. ये ड्रैग वाला एरो आता है, मैं बता दूं ना, ड्रैग इतना कर लो और कहीं भी ड्रैग वाला एरो यहाँ पे आ रहा होगा, समवेयर गॉट द एरो ड्रैगिंग दिस वन, और ड्रैग कर लो और आ रहा हो कहीं पे एरो. Okay, now all you got over here, and now you apply the units, apply the label. Okay, then again you apply the reason, apply the label. Good. Accordingly, you can see over here different type of label, data, etc.
Sir,
Yes, please.
इससे पहले वाली वर्कशीट में आपने डॉलर कैसे लाया था, एक बार दिखाएंगे प्लीज.
आपको किसके ऊपर डॉलर लाना है? आपको
नहीं सर, इसके बारे में आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट दैट डॉलर, कैसे आया था? हाँ,
यहाँ पे जो मेरा ये था ना टेक्स्ट, कहाँ पे है ये
हाँ.
मैंने इस पे क्लिक किया था, देन फॉर्मेट पे गया था. सर नोट कर लो, फिर कल पूछोगे मुझे पता तो बोलते बहुत ज्यादा हूँ.
अच्छा ठीक है.
फॉर्मेट पे गया था, फॉर्मेट जाने के बाद नंबर पे गया था, डिफॉल्ट सेट कर दो, डिफॉल्ट में है ना. अरे फैन की आवाज़ बहुत आ रही है, फैन की आवाज़ बहुत आ रही है. ओके, सो फॉर्मेट में जाने के बाद नंबर्स पे गया था, नंबर्स पे जाने के बाद करेंसी स्टैंडर्ड पे गया था, कोई करेंसी सेट करनी है. यहाँ जाने में मैंने यहाँ यूनाइटेड स्टेट का ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट कर लिया था, बस और कुछ नहीं किया.
सर सर पाई चार्ट का डायमेंशन कैसे इंक्रीज किया आपने?
आप जो पाई चार्ट के पास ले जाओगे ना यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे कहीं एरो आएगा, आपको धीरे मूव करना है, कहीं ना कहीं एरो आएगा, देखो स्ट्रेच करने वाला, वही आया यहाँ पे. ठीक है ना, आपके बस आपका यहाँ नहीं होगा, आपका छोटा सा पाई चार्ट आपका यहाँ कहीं होगा. ठीक है ना, ऐसे वर्टिकल एरो आएगा.
सर करेंसी डॉलर में क्यों नहीं जा रहा?
नहीं, ये करेंसी, दिस इज नॉट करेंसी, दिस इज द नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स. मैंने यूनिट्स लिया
नंबर.
that is for the previous workbook, and now when you put the any money over there, if you again want to put the money, just like I want to see the money, I just modify this one. So I duplicate this thing, just like some participants send me this thing, so I remove everything. Now reason versus money, sorry, reason versus money. Oops, it goes to, okay, Let me select this one. Take this one. Somewhere it is capturing the last. Oops.
हेलो सर,
Yes, please.
वो स्टैंडर्ड में जाके भी हम एंटायर व्यू सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं ना? स्क्रीन को फिट होता है वो
स्टैंडर्ड में जाके
स्टैंडर्ड्स में जाके यहाँ पे नीचे टूल किट के नीचे का लाइन है ना, उसमें सेकंड लास्ट ऑप्शन, सॉरी थर्ड लास्ट ऑप्शन,
मैंने यूज नहीं किया ये वाला
एंटायर व्यू या
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस थिंग। सारे ऑप्शन भी सिलेक्ट किए मैंने,
या
फोकस किया जरा टेक्स्ट पे फोकस किया है, so that's good. Okay, now the thing, when you drag the money over here and apply the label, it will give you the thing over here, money. Okay, so you have to select this thing as a format, go over here, again select the standard, use this one as a USA, apply the dollar over here, and which kind of region is this? So again drag the region in, put the label. Got it? So central region getting the revenue of 11,139.07 dollars. I hope you got the same architecture. Yeah, definitely in the sense of ratio. I hope the same architecture. No, it will be different. See, this slice is moving. Little bit difference. Otherwise, same architecture. Done. इतना सबका हो गया. Please confirm. Raise your hand. Okay. Now I'm taking 5-minute break. You guys keep do some practice. Okay. Then I will get different data set. Okay. Different data set. I mean. Let's keep trying. Okay, Ras, make resize this thing. Akla, again, what Akla do? Wow. Akla, you don't get ever my question. The question is between the central region and between the units. And the region and the units. So now what you do? Perfect. Okay, that's good. Size perfect. Perfect. But firstly, do one thing. Either you put entire text inside the pie chart, or stretch your pie chart in such a way that entire text outside the pie chart. Some inside and some outside. Some make awkward thing. Savariana has to change some size of the pie chart. Perfect. Increase the size a little bit. Nice. You are right on your place. Good. Okay. So before going to break, I just give you the data set, the name of data set. Here we have 3 things. Startup expansion, not this one. Supply long-term amazing model. Segment, ship mode. Driver customer names, country, regions, state. Agent state city, postal authority, shipping, sales. Okay, this is calling product supply category. Yes, it's made there. Yeah, this occupy this data set. P1 Superstore US 2050. This is good data set, and we have 3 tables over here. You will learn a lot of things over here. Okay? So we have 3 tables. So you try yourself what you get. Okay, I think you can open the second tableau. You can open the second tableau. Works. The second instance of tableau will work. So do not disturb the previous one. Okay, otherwise everything will mix and you will get in troubles. Okay, so open the second instance of tableau, then get this data set. Okay, welcome back. Any progress? Any progress from your side? Am I audible? I'm not getting any sound.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
So any progress you did with the new data set?
Yeah, uploaded and trying with some calculation like product name versus sales.
Now the thing is change over here. First thing is a huge data set. Very good number of column. Okay. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, W, Y means we have 25 column over here. Okay. And we have 3 tables. This one, this one, this one. So when you have multiple table in given data set, so now the thing is changed. Okay. So let's make a connection. Let me check. This is one kind of CSV file or Microsoft Excel file. Okay, perfect. This is Microsoft Excel file. So I connect with this one. Now I hope you will get comfortable to handle this data set. Okay. All right. So on which table you want to work? Drag this table over here. Okay, so I'm working on the order. Except different data type, row ID, order priority, discount, unit price, shipping cost, customer ID, and then customer name, ship mode, customer segment, a lot of things. And you gone through this thing and you got work use your time after this session on this data set. You really enjoy the thing. Okay, so let's start the thing and do something. Okay. What I'm trying to say over here, let's see this the dimension, city, country and state. Okay, we have this kind of dimension. Okay, now we have discount, product waste margin. I don't know what is this one. Maybe MBA person, my batch. What is product waste margin? This is technical term. I don't know what is this one. Then profit, quantity, order new, sales, shipping cost, and unit price. Okay, and here we have state or province. I think this is belong to USA. So yes, so any state, which state? Yes, Washington, California, and USA, Minnesota. Perfect. It's from USA. Okay, now order date, order ID, order priority, postal code, etc., etc. Various things are there. Okay. Now the first thing which is new for you, which is I will tell you, which is different from the previous data set. Okay. Here we have product category and product subcategory. Okay. Here we have the profits, total sales, perfect, profit, discount, perfect. So if I want to see, because here we have a lot of work to be done. Okay. Okay. One more announcement. Tomorrow the class will start at right time 8 p.m. Okay. I will not delay by 10 minutes or 15 minutes because tomorrow we have a lot of work, lot of experiment. Okay. So, and tomorrow we don't have a carry session. We have only class. All right. So what we do, we want to see which product category earning the mostly profits. Which product category. So if I am putting this product category over here, so it's showing me 3 categories. Let me drag these categories. These are furniture, office supply, technology. Okay, and then it's profits. Okay, so office supplies earning the highest profit. Office supply earning the highest profit. Again, dragging the profit over here, converting to the label perfectly. This much thousands of dollar. You can change this line. Okay, you can change this shape over here perfectly. Okay, perfectly. You can change the color of profit as we did in last session, last data set. But one more thing. Each product category is divided in the product subcategory. Got it? Each product category is divided into subcategory. Now, if I want to see, listen me carefully. Now, if I want to see the product categories wise product subcategory, and then it's perfect. So what I do, I just make duplicate. Okay, I just drag product category, sorry, product subcategory over here nearby this thing. Which one? Product category. See this thing and make this thing and try to understand what exactly happening over here. And once this thing is ready for you, raise your hand, because I hope I get the better interpretation. Yes, Mr. Sandeep, yes. What you understanding of what is shown to you?
Sir, basically there are three categories, main categories, that is furniture, office supplies and technologies, under which they are again dividing it into subcategories which belong to those particular categories. Like
let me rotate this label.
The furniture.
Okay, let me rotate this label. When I click this one, actually this is some abbreviations on aptly ends dotted. When we rotate this label, yes, Sandeep, please carry.
Yeah, as I was saying, in those three categories, they are again dividing it into subcategories, such as in case of furniture, bookcases, etc. And similarly, they are dividing it into other categories, and in each category, they are giving us the profit margins.
Yeah, I mean, this is the profit and deficit. I mean, the negative profit known as a deficit. Is it? I'm not the MBA specialist, okay, in business admin, because the selling discount, okay. So if you arrange this thing now, so under the main category of furniture, the subcategory chairs and the chair meals earning the highest profit, and the tables going under more and more loss. In the negative profit, that is your loss. Under the product category of office supply, the binders and binder accessories got in the highest profit, and the loss, the rubber bands went there. Then telephone and communication under the technology getting the highest profit, and then the computer peripherals got the lowest profit. So two product subcategory going to under loss. Okay, so if you so this is the category wise. Okay, if you want to do this thing as a whole, means you want to see only, I want to see only product subcategory. So I just make duplicate and remove the product category. Now you see as a whole. So tables make the highest loss, and the binder and the accessories give you the highest profit. It's up to you. Line chart better. Negative point also is there. Area chart is better. Right. Similar profit. Okay. Done. Check this thing. Not very important thing. Again, I make this thing duplicate. Till here, confirm me that you got everything. Yes, raise your hand. Remaining participant will ask later on after 5 minutes. So this thing is remaining. Please confirm all that you guys get this thing. Simple thing, nothing we have to do. I just remove the one tag over here. Now, using these product categories, I want to compare. This is my profit. Profit versus sales. Okay, means sales versus profit.